Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Trina Marie here. My intro is a little bit different than normal this time because I went to Sephora last night. I got a few new things. I'm gonna show you what I got. I also got a brand new palette, just came out in December. I'm gonna show you what it is. And it's a little intense, so I'm super excited to try a new eyeshadow look I've never tried before. It might turn out great, it might turn out totally horrible. We don't know. I might look like a clown. So if you want to see how I turn out at the end of this video, just keep watching. If you haven't yet, click subscribe because I'm doing a giveaway at 100 subscribers. You want to be involved in that. All right, so I'm gonna jump right into my Sephora bag here. Let's see what I got. I had some really awesome girls kind of showing me new products that have recently come out and things like that. So I got a few different things here. All exciting. One more thing here. And I'm gonna grab my receipt so I can tell you guys the prices of everything. So first I'm gonna start out, I got the Peach Perfect Too Faced foundation and setting spray. I have been waiting to try these out. I have gone into a few different Sephoras and Ultas, different makeup stores, trying to find them, and I haven't been able to. So I haven't bought them yet because I didn't want to order online and get a color that didn't match my skin. So I finally found it and had to buy it. I got the shade Vanilla, and let's take it out, let's see what it looks like. Ooh, pretty. Okay, so it's a comfort matte foundation, oil-free, oil controlling, photo-friendly, 14-hour wear. It's really pretty packaging, and it's supposed to smell great. It's got a little pump. I also got this First Aid Beauty Pure Skin Facial Cleanser. It's awesome. I think this was $10. Just, you know that little spot where they get you in the line and they make you buy all the things? That was one of them. I also got this mini Hoola Benefit bronzer. I'm gonna use that as my contour. Looks like this in there. And it comes with this cute little brush. And the scariest thing today, scary fun, the Huda Beauty Electric Obsessions little palette. This one just came out, and let's open that. Oh my God. I actually was looking at this in the store and I dropped it on the floor and oh my God, I like freaked out, and the girl was like, it's okay, but it was totally shattered. She was super cool about it. But I don't know, I was kind of scared because I would cry if I got home and did that to that palette. And that one was $27. So I'm gonna start as always with my Porefessional Pore Minimizing Primer from Benefit. I love this stuff. I use it like literally every day. So I'm gonna grab a good amount of that. I'm gonna place that all over my face today. And we're just gonna rub that in really good. All right, and then I'm gonna go straight in with my Peach Perfect new foundation in Vanilla. I'm gonna add that right to my beauty blender. Pump that. Oh my God, you guys, this stuff smells so good. Once that's all blended in, I'm gonna grab my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in the shade Fair Neutral. It was funny, I was at the store yesterday and these little girls, they're probably 14, they were like, oh, why would you buy that? It's so expensive. And I looked at them, I was like, it's worth it. So I'm just gonna go ahead and highlight my eyes here like I normally would. So little V's under your eyes. And then I'm gonna blend it in. All right, so once that's all blended in, go right in. I'm gonna go with my Laura Mercier setting powder, and I'm gonna apply that and all over my beauty blender to set all the concealer I just put on. And then I'm gonna grab a larger powder brush in the Sigma Large Powder F30 brush, and I'm just gonna dust that all over my face to set the rest of my foundation and concealer and everything like that. All right, so far I am absolutely loving this foundation. It smells super great. It's super mattifying. It's got a little bit of a dewy glow to it, which is awesome because we're in the middle of winter here and we don't have any sunshine, so it's nice to get a little bit of dewiness from your foundation. I'm gonna go in with my Hoola Benefit contour, and I'm gonna grab my large angle contour F40 brush here and just go ahead and contour all my areas. And then I'm gonna hop back over here and grab my small contour F05 brush. This is just a little bit fluffier of a brush. It's gonna give you more of a blended look, so I'm gonna do kind of the same thing with that. And then to go ahead and blend that in a little bit more, I'm gonna grab my small duo fiber F55 Sigma brush and just blend that in so it looks seamless with your face. All right, so after that's all blended, I'm actually gonna put on some eyebrows. So for that, I'm gonna take my Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade in the shade Taupe. And to apply it, I'm gonna grab my Sigma Small Angle E65 brush. But before I start, I'm gonna take my Brow Wiz, the end brush, and just brush my brows out. Now that I'm done with my eyebrows, I'm gonna put this away. And I'm gonna jump into the new palette. I'm so excited. A little nervous because these colors are so intense, but we're gonna have fun with it. So let's jump right in. I'm gonna grab my tapered blending E40 brush, just like a tapered blending brush. Any brush will work, but the Sigma brushes are the best. So I'm gonna go right into this first, right here, this red, dark red color. I'm gonna apply that all into my crease. I'm gonna kind of blend it upwards and over, all right? So let's jump right in. Oh my God. Oh, do you see that brush right there? That is pigmented. Oh my God, all right. Be nice to me. Oh my God. Holy shit. This is looking really, really good. Really, really pigmented. Very, very pink. I'm loving it. Grab this pink color here. This pink one right here. And my, let's see. This is a contour brush, but it looks like this. And I'm gonna put that in my outer corner, kind of over where I put that darker shade. Now I'm thinking I'm gonna go in with this orange color up at the top. And to apply that, I'm gonna grab like a shader brush. I'm gonna grab my Sephora Airbrush Shadow Brush, just a shader. I'm gonna go right into that orange color. So I'm gonna apply this into the middle of my lid, and I'm gonna use a packing motion instead of a rubbing motion. All right. I'm gonna go in with another color because this palette is so different. I'm gonna grab this yellow right in the middle, and I'm gonna use a very small brush. I'm gonna do my inner corner with that. All right, wish me luck. All right, looking good. I'm gonna grab my same brush I was with the orange, and I'm gonna go back into that orange and kind of just blend in the yellow and the pink together here with the orange. And so right now I'm kind of just trying to blend all the colors together. So I'm kind of going in between the orange and the yellow, just however I think to kind of make it blend more seamlessly. And then I'm gonna grab that same tapered blending brush I used for that dark shade in the corner, and I'm just gonna go ahead and do my crease again and just kind of make sure that's all blended together. All right, I think I love it. So I'm gonna just go ahead and do the same thing I just did on this eye on the other eye. So now that I have both of my eyes done, I am going to go into my NYX matte liquid liner in black and apply a nice wing. All right, now I'm just gonna apply my wing on the other side. All right, so now that I've applied my wing, I am going to kind of just clean up under this wing a little bit because there's a little bit of eyeshadow underneath. And then I'm gonna just kind of blend the eyeshadow just a little bit out more so it matches the outside of my wing. And then while I'm dipping back into my palette, I'm gonna grab a flat definer E15 brush, and I'm gonna take this dark red color and I'm just gonna do my lower lash line with that. And since I'm going super intense today, I'm gonna grab my pencil brush, my Pencil Sigma E30 brush, and I'm gonna go back into that color and kind of just blend it down and make it super dramatic. Eyeshadow is done, eyeliner's done. I'm going to grab my They're Real Benefit Mascara. You know I wouldn't use anything else. I'm gonna apply a little bit of that to my lashes. All right, and when you're doing that, you just wanna be careful that you're looking, I put the mirror underneath me and I look down so that you're not getting any of that mascara little dots on your eyeshadow because that'll be a mess to try to clean up. I'm gonna go in and put on some fake eyelashes. All right, I'm gonna add some They're Real Benefit to my lower lashes. All right, so I'm gonna go in and just highlight my face with my tapered highlighter F35 Sigma brush and my Becca highlighter in the shade Moonstone. I'm gonna highlight on my cute little highlighting areas. All right, and then I'm just gonna finish up with, I'm gonna use the Kylie Matte Liquid Lipstick in the shade Malibu. All right, guys, that is the finished look. I was super scared I was kind of gonna look like a clown, but I think it turned out super awesome. Obviously, this isn't an everyday look, but it's something fun you can wear out on the town with your girlfriends, at a party, or really anywhere you just wanna look good and have cool makeup. So if you like this video, thanks again for watching. Give it a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe because you want to be in my giveaway. I know you do. I know you want to win it. So subscribe, like this video, and I'll see you on my next video. Thanks for watching.